Is there a strategy that we can use to learn a guitar piece? Well, as a matter of fact, there is more than one. But I am going to give you an example here because sometimes we have a limited amount of time to dedicate to guitar practice. And so we want to make sure that we use that time well and we can learn quickly and effectively. Let's say you're a beginner and you want to learn how to play this. Naturally, you'll start practicing probably in this way. But there is a more effective way, and I will show you. So, before using both hands, which is what we do when we play guitar, we're going to practice them 1/8 at a time. What do I mean by that? First, I'm only going to take my right hand and I'm going to practice the strumming pattern. Then we're going to take our left hand only. We're not going to worry about our right hand for now, and we are going to practice the chord change on the fretboard using our left hand only. Finally, I can put both hands together.